what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We are working on our furnace today, and in the event that your furnace is making a knocking, buzzing, humming, or rubbing sound, we're going to show you the most common cause. Let's go take a look. To the wall mounted thermostat, safety first, always go ahead and turn the heat to the off position. All right, DIYers, downstairs in the utility room or furnace room, and here is our Bryant furnace, also a Carrier brand. And you've got a switch on the right hand side. Make sure you turn that off. In our case, we got this little knob here and a long screw that secures the cover panel to this portion of the furnace. Go ahead and unscrew that. Carefully remove your cover panel. And set this in a safe location. And I'll turn my light on here. Angle it up at the inducer motor. Here is your fan. Behind here is your inducer motor. It feeds inside the actual furnace, and on the inside portion is a larger round fan blade that pushes the hot air from your heat down below up. However, in the event that you hear rubbing or knocking, listen to this. Hear that? Now, when the system turns on, believe it or not, it spins at a much faster pace, and it makes some pretty aggressive knocking noises. Hear that? So we need to get this fixed. Now, a couple things that it can be. In here, you've got rubber gaskets or rubber grommets. Those allow your inducer motor to have a little bit of play. Now, in the event that these are loose, these are 1/4" screws, go ahead and tighten those up slightly. And by doing that, you can actually realign your entire inducer motor mount that secures to the back portion of the furnace. And I want to show you, as you can see, this one's pretty flush. However, that one right there is probably the main reason why it is making that offset, unbalanced, and rubbing noise. That rubber gasket is ripped and no longer creating the balance required for that mount. So take a look at your grommet gaskets and make sure everything is on there secured. You've got a couple additional screws back here. As you can see right there, you've got a couple more on the mount itself. Just make sure those are tight. Now, in the event that you want to see us run through the step-by-step process on how to remove this entire inducer fan, motor, all the rubber grommet gaskets, definitely check out the link scrolling above. You may find it very helpful. That's all I want to show you in this video. Again, a rubbing sound is most likely coming from your inducer motor itself and the back fan inside the system. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it.